We interrupt your regular programming to give you the civil defense warning. This is not a test, I repeat. This is not a test. This is an update regarding our previous warning. Researchers and scientists have identified the virus as Eas-50PV, and cases are rising due to poison like contaminated food. Residents in Georgia should keep doors and windows locked and avoid engaging with any unfamiliar man, as he may carry the poison. We are working to locate Christopher by TPOC to resolve this. More updates will follow. We interrupt your regular programming to give you an important message. This is not a test, I repeat. This is not a test. The Georgia Department of Homeland Security has issued an urgent shelter-in-place order. Scientists and researchers have found out that Eas-50PV is spreadable by just one food from one household to another. Seal all cracks in your home to prevent virus entry. Ensure you have enough food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. This is a serious emergency. We will now switch to your local emergency broadcast system. Seek shelter now.